We have a solar panel, 100 watt, 18 volt. It's USB-C and USB-A, 5 volt, 3 amps. It doesn't need full sun. As you can see, I'm charging a power bank. The power bank's at 91%. Grab the solar panel, pull out the kickstand, and open up. On the other side, you have a kickstand as well. Pull it out and open up and adjust. On the back of the unit is a door, a folding door that has your cable, as you can see, the charging port, and the USB A and C on this side. The product has 3 volts, 5 volts, USB A, USB C, and direct voltage to charge your portable generator at 18 volts. It reads at 23.79. Please don't hook this up to a 12 volt system. It's meant for 18 volts. With the supplied cable, you get enough to run it to your generator and charge for those emergency situations or just simply camping. So if you're looking for a 100 watt panel that will do the job and charge your portable generator hours on end, this product may be right for you. Very simple to fold up. Very simple to put away and store the cables. It has eye hooks so you could tie down. A handle so you could carry and go wherever you want. The solar panel, great for outdoors, camping, wherever you go. You got a boat, you going out to the wilderness and you want to take power along, and you have yourself a power bank like so, and you could simply just hook up and charge hours on end. Endless daytime running time. When it comes to nighttime, you're going to need a portable generator to continue forward. This unit will be right for you, for your needs, to get you started in your needs. So I hope this product will help you out in getting power to what you need to run. Just be careful not to, be underneath the tree, full shade, because this will have to have sunlight in order to correctly charge the unit. So I hope this product will be right for you or what you're looking for. Thank you very much for viewing.